Yeah. Let us start. Today also we are going to running with the same. Let's open material 2. Let us start. Good. Anyway, I will give a small revision. The point will be, listen carefully. When you join data science course, immediately no one never discuss machine learning. No one never should not discuss also. Why? Because you have to understand the fundamental. The first one, Python is important. What is important, sir? Python. The next one, Pandas is important. A little data visualization you should understand. You should know how to create a array actually. How to select the features. These are all very, very important. Now, these are all, with all these things, I have created one small, this is the ML flow created by me. This we never get from anywhere else actually, right? The first one will be data. The next one, data frame, feature engineering. Come on, read along with me. Data. One more time, read. Data, data frame, feature engineering, array, machine learning algorithm, cost function, gradient descent algorithm, increase accuracy, reduce error. Come on, let us deliver without seeing actually. I will help you. First one is data, data frame, feature engineering, array, machine learning algorithm, cost function, gradient descent algorithm, increase accuracy, reduce error. After ML flow, next steps is the ML steps actually. There are exactly 7 steps would you have. How many steps actually? 7 steps. Did you prepare? If you prepared, let us deliver without saying. I will help you. Who didn't prepare, you have to prepare. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation, model training, prediction. We have to remember. We మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. Okay. These are all. Yeah, fine. Daniel, what is machine learning? Simple, it is a technique. Simple, it is a technique. Why less students today? Any festival? Which match? Oh, is it? Okay, good. Even I stopped watching cricket after Sehwag retired actually. It's okay. Cool. Then already started? What is India's score? Who is bat first? Okay. Okay, good. Oh, good, man. Let's continue. At least if they joined at least online, that would be fine. But it's okay. Yeah, let us read the definition. It is a technique which enables computers to learn automatically from the data. Come on. Let me repeat one more time. It is first of all what exactly? Technique which enables computers to learn automatically from past data. Maybe online, I lost connection. Online team, is my voice is clear? Just now, I have some network glitch. I lost you and I'm back again. Can somebody talk with me? Okay, cool. Let's continue. It's a right time you need to be understand the difference between what is AI, what is machine learning, deep learning. These are all things actually. So the first one, so simple. Let me tell you, AI, artificial intelligence. Many people are thinking machine learning is different, AI is different. Machine learning is a one subject in AI. Machine learning is a one subject in. It is just one subject, sir. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Daniel, what do you mean by machine learning? Machine learning is part of artificial intelligence. Yeah, good. Machine learning is a technique. Technique for what? To understand the data. Okay. For this ML algorithm, if you have given the data, it will understand about the data and learn from the data. It will learn from the data. And what are all techniques it has learned, it will start applying actually. And it will start apply what they have to learn to take the next decision actually. If you want, I will take one small example. The example will be, so this one is, I would like to say data number one, agriculture data. Can I switch on this? Yeah. Let us take area. The next one, rice packs. Tomorrow, all you guys assignment. Please prepare this and come to the session. ML flow and what exactly ML steps. మీరు prepare అయ్యి రావాలి. I will ask to everyone. Tomorrow I will ask to everyone, please. Okay. So here I would like to say area is nothing but input. And rice packs is nothing but what exactly output. It is called as a X and it is also called as what exactly Y. Data mining is different, sir. Data mining is different actually. Data mining is different, you know. Even data mining is almost, I can say, by using data mining, you can apply kind of some analytical tasks, YLAP, engineering tasks. These are all things we can do actually. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. This one is 1, 10. Next one, 2, 20. 3, 30. 4, 40. Daniel, I have given this data to the ML, machine learning algorithm. Then here, once you have given this one, this data you have to give actually, model will be trained. Here onwards, it will start prediction. Prediction for what? Give me the value as a 5. Give me the value as a, it will tell for 5. You can ask, hey, algorithm, can you tell me, imagine the area is the 5. What is output actually? What is output, sir? 50. This is called as a prediction output. What output actually? Sorry. Hope I'm fine. Yeah. Let's continue. Let's continue. Here 50 prediction will be done by machine learning algorithm. So imagine, let me take few example. Amazon using machine learning to give better product choice recommendations to their customers based on their preferences actually. I'm sure whenever you're doing kind of some, product searching over Amazon, if you're asking kind of some Samsung mobile, your budget is at 10,000, your budget is 10,000. And based on that 10,000, it will start recommending actually. Backend for Amazon recommendation engine works very well. That recommendation engine is nothing but a machine learning algorithm. What algorithm, sir? Machine learning algorithm. Whenever you are watching YouTube, any shorts or video, it will start recommending the similar videos. Whenever you are watching any kind of movies in a Amazon Net Prime actually, Amazon Prime, it will start recommending the similar related videos. It will start recommending what exactly? Similar related videos like this actually. Netflix uses machine learning to give the better suggestion to their users for what exactly TV series and movies. These are all things actually. Okay. Next one, deep learning. Next one is what? Deep learning. I will tell you. First of all, you have to be understand machine learning. The first one you have to be understand machine learning. The next one is the deep learning. The next one is the AI. This is the flow you have to be understand. Daniel, what is the deep learning? So simple, deep learning is the advanced to machine learning. Deep learning is what exactly? Advanced. Deep learning is actually the subset of machine learning. The main difference between deep learning and machine learning is, a machine learning model works better but still needs some guidance actually. When you're talking about the machine learning, you have to provide some guidance. Hey, algorithm, this one is the input and this one is output actually. But when it comes to deep learning, you no need to provide the guidance. It will work automatically. It will start select, oh, this one is a feature number 1, this one is a feature number 2, this one is a target variable. It can capture automatically. That's the power of deep learning. Not only that, many things would you have. Imagine sometimes the machine learning algorithm may fail actually. You have to guide. Arey boss, you have to work in this way. But when it comes to deep learning algorithm, sir, the issue it can fix automatically. That's what you need to be understand. If machine learning model returns inaccurate prediction, then the programmer need to fix that problem explicitly actually. But in the case of deep learning, the model does by itself actually. What is the best example? What is the best example for deep learning? Automatic car driving system. Wow. Tell me what is that? Automatic car. Think about. No, 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 no. Deep seek and deep learning connected actually. Deep seek, deep learning, neural network actually. Please understand this one. I'm sorry for saying just because of this word as a deep actually don't compare. But what you guys need to understand, deep learning backend it will use neural network. But let me tell you, DeepSeek backend it is using deep learning actually. Backend it is using deep learning, but there is no relation between the DeepSeek and deep learning actually. Did you understand or not, sir? I will talk what is a neural network later. Okay. Move to the next one. Automatic car driving system is a good example for deep learning. Wow, this is really great, man. Think like there is a one car driver. Sir, he have to be very careful. He need to start the car. He need to observe the environment. Imagine if there is a traffic, you have to apply the brakes very carefully. And no traffic, you need to go in a little speed actually. Suddenly, some animal came. Whenever you are traveling over the road, suddenly some animal came. He will apply the brake actually. He is supposed to be very careful with all senses. Constantly, he have to watch actually. Can he sleep during the driving? No, 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 gone case. Now, same thing like that. You can replace one human with one deep learning algorithm. Deep learning algorithm takes care about a car driver, what exactly he will do actually. Yeah, that is one of the example. Automatic car driving system is a good example of deep learning. Let me tell you, driverless car. What car actually? It was not launched in India. It was not launched actually. I mean to see how to think. Still, it is doing kind of some R&D actually. They can launch if they want. I will tell you the reason also why they didn't launch. But in USA, these kind of driverless cars already launched actually. It was already launched. Why? What might be the reason? The point will be in USA, traffic rules are very strict. Cheppandi? Traffic rules are very strict means strict actually. If there is a person already red signal, can he cross actually? He have to be there for his life to cross actually. Sir, but in India, cheppandi. So imagine traffic signal. Forget about others. I crossed many, many times actually. I'm sorry for saying. Are you with me or not, sir? So imagine for a deep learning algorithm, you have to train with the strict rules. Suddenly, if you have launched a kind of some driverless car in Hyderabad, what exactly happened? Two reasons I will tell you. That algorithm will start learning from environment. Already red signal. People are moving actually. Let me move. It will start also actually. That is one of the reason you should understand. Reason number two. Let us take a Google company. If they really want, they can implement driverless car. But once they have implemented, they have launched in India. If unfortunately one accident happen, unfortunately what happened? One accident, gone case actually. The total fame and good name it will be fall down actually. That's what people will never dare to launch that kind of products actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? It takes some time. I'm sure it takes some time, but almost we are getting more electric related vehicles actually. Kada? They're improving. The next point will be artificial intelligence. Good. I have explained about what is the difference between machine learning, deep learning, and it's a right term. I'm sorry, sir. It's a right time you need to be understand about AI. Daniel, what do you mean by AI? AI is an ability of computer program to function like a human brain. So simple man, AI is a kind of one program, one algorithm that works like a human brain. That works like a machine learning and deep learning are the subsets of AI. Now let me tell you, if you learn ML, automatically you are a AI engineer. You are also ML engineer actually. You are also what exactly mean? ML engineer also. Machine learning and deep learning are the subsets of AI. The main motto of AI is to replicate human brain. How exactly our what exactly our brain is functioning? How exactly our brain is functioning? They are planning to create a kind of some program actually. The way a human thinks, so works a function like this actually. Currently, AI is not yet fully implemented, but we are very close to establish the two actually. We are very close. One of the AI model will be Sophia. Do you know about this? If you don't know, go to the Google. You can just open YouTube actually. Sophia ML model. I'm sorry, Sophia AI model. It talks like a human, sir, like a robo. Like what exactly? Robo actually. AI robo. AI robo means what exactly? Almost being a human. What are all activities you are doing? So with your brain, how you are thinking, how you are functioning, it will function actually. Okay. I'm sure you might have heard about Elon Musk actually. Elon Musk. Idea unnada meeku? Elon Musk. What he done, recently he done kind of some little R&D. He applied to US government. For what purpose, I'm planning to insert or plant chip. Chip in human brain. Chip in what exactly? Human brain. Do you know about this one? If you don't know, I will explain. Little story. Can I continue? Good. It was happened exactly a long back, almost 5 years back actually. 5 years back, he started keep on applying. Initially, government didn't apply. Why? Because his main motto will be, let me create one AI program. Let me create one AI program actually. That AI program, let us just try to insert into one small, like a small chip, a small little tiny chip actually. Let us just try to open brain, any human brain. Let me insert that brain actually. Here onwards, what he will do, that chip can capture your body condition. Sir, our body is nothing but a data. Our body is nothing but a data actually. Daniel, what do you mean? Our heartbeat per day, data. Count actually. Our eye blink per day, data. Your BP per day, data. Your body temperature per day, data. All companies, let us take a smartwatch actually. It is capturing my body condition. End of the month, it is just started suggesting, hey, this is your body related data. Based on this one, I mean to say that the main motive will be Elon Musk. He will capture the human body condition. Before 1 month, before 6 months, he can do prediction, especially healthcare organization, when heart attack people will get actually. When the cancer people will get actually. That is really great project. Are you with me or not, sir? That project name also called as a Neuralink. What is the project name? Just recently. First he applied on animals. It got succeed actually. Recently 2021 or 2023, I guess. 2023. One person he planted the chip and they are monitoring him actually. His body condition, health condition, everything is all right as of now. Okay. That project name is called as a Neuralink. Telsa mikidi. If you don't know, go to the YouTube. Sir, you should know some little updates, technical updates actually. Go to the YouTube and little R&D. Neuralink. Yeah. Any dates they have given? Neuralink first brain chip implant developed problem CNN 2024. Trial version actually. Elon Musk Neuralink has implanted a brain chip in human subject. The chip is designed to read the brain activity and allow the user context. Oh my God, such a great actual. It will try to capture, how a human is thinking. What are your thoughts actually? How you are thinking, how you are responding. It will try to capture all your brain activities actually. That is seriously amazing. Seriously amazing. Okay. In your free time, kindly please walk through. You will get an idea. 1 minute. Online team, are you following, sir? Did you understand this one? Sir, almost the total world is, moving towards with the AI. AI especially. Okay. Is computer identifying, picture and image actually? Is computer identifying kind of some picture and image like a cat and dog? Yes. And it is really amazing task actually. Let me tell you one small point. For human, what is the easy task? What is the difficult task? For human, the easy task will be recognize image, either cat or dog. I'm extremely sorry. The next one, difficult task. Am I right? For human, first task is easy. Second task, difficult. It takes some time. We can do that, but it takes some time. Let us go for computer. Computer also easy task. Computer also having difficult task. What is the easy task for them? Calculate. Wow. Computation is very easy for them. Now, what is the difficult actually? What is the difficult? With AI, it became easy. With AI or else ML, it became easy actually. It became what exactly? Easy, easy. That's what you need to be understand. I'm sure, good comparison. Being a human, imagine, my father have given image in my childhood. My father is telling, dear son, tell me either this one is a cat or dog. We are all trained, our brain is trained well, very well actually. Then I can recognize this one is either cat or dog. But if my father have given such a big calculation, I will get a favor actually. Are you with me or not? Why? Because, such a big calculation. But the same difficult task, it is very easy for computer. Simple, what is easy for us, for computer it is what exactly meant? This is olden days approach actually, but nowadays what exactly happened, with the ML, this task also became easy. With the ML, especially if you have trained your computer with ML algorithm, your ML algorithm works very well actually, works very well. Okay. Yeah. Yes, and it is really amazing task. If you are giving lot of images on computers, then the computer can try to learn about the attributes to recognize images. This is called as a machine learning. This is called as what exactly? Machine learning. Hold on. I will tell you. So think like this is a big computer having kind of some 1 lakh images. These images are belongs to cat and dog. These images are belongs to what exactly? Cat and what exactly is a dog. And here image number 1 and image number 2, image number 3, image number 4, like this actually. Think like lot of images. Okay, Daniel, what is your plan actually? So think like there is a one ML algorithm, machine learning algorithm, ML algorithm. Right. Take this ML algorithm. If you have trained your data with this images data actually, with this what exactly sir images. Now here is a story. Here is a story. Please make a note on this one. Your machine learning algorithm will start learning from, okay, what is this actually? You are providing input on output. Image number one, cat or dog. It is having, a kind of some four legs actually. How it will do the sound, what kind of food it will eat actually. I mean to say each and every image it will start learning actually. Best example like a human brain. First time in our career, go to the childhood. Whenever you are looking at the dog actually, we are very surprised constantly. Do you know about the babies, how they can look at the buffalo, or else how they can look at a kind of some animals actually constantly and surprise, they will look at like this actually. Am I right? Oh, how this is moving. Oh, what is this? Slowly by slowly mother will start, this is called cat, this is called what exactly. Then in our brain, okay, this is the cat, this is the cat, this is the cat. Many times our brain trained actually, many times our brain, then we are able to recognize. Now today what is the category, same formula. Take machine learning algorithm. If you wanted to create a ML algorithm, that algorithm supposed to recognize the cat and dog. First of all, training is required. What is required, boss? Training is required. Lot of images we have to keep in one computer, then start feeding with, image number one, cat and dog, image number two, cat and dog. Now after all this training over, very good, now cat and dog model is ready. Sorry. Daniel, what happened? Cat and dog ML model can recognize here onwards, recognize cat and what exactly, sir? Dog actually. Very good. That's what you need to be understand. All right, let's move on. If you are giving lot of images to the computer, then the computer, when I say computer here, ML algorithm actually can try to learn about the attributes of recognizing images. What do you mean by attribute? How many number of legs? What is the color? What is the size? Either it is a black color dog, either it is a small dog, big dog. These are all called as an attribute actually. This is called as a machine learning. This is something like teaching to computers how to think like a human. This is something like teaching to computer how to think like a human, madam, actually. Next one. Is human identify picture and image actually? Yeah, it's very easy, right? This task is very easy. Absolutely yes, right? During our childhood, parents or teacher taught us like, how to recognize cat, dog, tiger and lion actually. In my childhood, my father trained me in such a way that this is the cat, this is the dog, this is the buffalo, these are all things actually. That training literally it is helping in Hyderabad. Okay, Hyderabad also cats would you have, dogs would you have actually. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah. So in real life, if you see a cat or dog or tiger, but sorry, tiger I didn't. Yeah, live lo నేను చూడలేదు tiger ఎప్పుడు కూడా. So then we can easy to recognize without much effort actually. So human can take the decision based on, sir, come on, I need response actually. Human can take the decision based on experience. I mean to say, suddenly a cat came. Previously, we already experienced this is the cat actually. Now we are taking the decision from our experience. Experience matter. What matter? For ML algorithm also, we need to give that experience by using the data. Okay. I will show you one small diagram. Hold on. Human can take the decision based on experience. Computer can create a models by using the data. Children. So imagine there is a boy. So I make a decision based on what exactly? Experience. Experience. But whenever you are talking about the computer means think like ML algorithm would you have. I make a models based on data actual. I will tell you, hold on. Hold this theory. Yeah, look at this image. You will get one small fun image actually. This image will be, generally in our brain, we will apply this formula. First one will be remember. Then we can create a little formula. Then the last one will be the prediction. Directly it is not a prediction. First we can remember. The next one, it will be the formulate. The third one will be predict actually. Hold on. First to remember. It trained most of the days in the last week. Then when you are entering into the situation, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and the next Monday came. And your feeling will be, it is almost training in the last week. You know, in your brain, it will started capturing pattern actually. In your brain, automatically happens. That's the power of our brain actually. Let me tell you, in our brain, there is a topic. The topic name is called as a neurons. What is the topic? That neurons will work actually. I will explain during deep learning how it works very well actually. Okay. Now, remember, it trained most of the days in the last week. I think it trains most of the time. I think it trains what exactly, sir? Now he's created one small formula. Okay, maybe almost it is going to be raining every day during the rainy season. Then it probably it will rain today also. Sir, he's doing prediction also. He's doing what exactly? Prediction also. Prediction also. Let me tell you. Do you know about weather stations actually? In every country, even in India, there is a weather station. That weather station main motive will be for every second base, it will try to, there are some sensors. There are some sensors. By using that sensor, they will connect with the weather actually. Every second, it will capture the temperature. What is the temperature? Now the time is 6-7. Last 1 minute, what is the temperature? Last 2 minutes, what is the temperature? Last 3 minutes, what is the temperature? Every minute base, they will collect the temperature actually. By using this temperature, sir, today temperature is too hot, right? Did you notice actually? Ask me, too hot actually. By collected the data, they can do the prediction for tomorrow temperature, madam. They can do prediction for tomorrow temperature. That's what you need to be understand. Conclusion of this story: a human works like things like he created one small framework that is called as a. Tell me, remember, formulate, predict. Tell me one more time. Remember. Okay, good. Hold on. From here, I have skipped, I guess. How a machine can take the decision. If you wanted to understand how a machine can take the decision, first you need to be understand how a human can take the decision. Being a human, how a human can take the decision, sir? Sir, past couple of decades, more data came actually. Past 2 decades. 2 decades in the sense, 20 years. More data came actually. Though more data, definitely machine learning algorithms helps you. Sorry. Human follows one formula. That formula will be all humans used to follow some patterns or formulas to take the next step, next best action. What is the first one, sir? Remember. Talk with me. Next one, formulate. Create some formula. Formulate in the sense, create some formula. The next one is what exactly? Predict. Okay, quite interesting. Okay. Generally, we remember the past situation. We are all human. We can remember previously what happened in this scenario. Previously what happened in this scenario. Like that actually. We formulate a general rule. I mean to say that by remembering those situations, generally we can create some rules actually. Those rules are helping us to do the prediction. Those rules are helping us to create what exactly mean? Best example, can I tell you one thing? In our 10th class, even we done prediction, what kind of questions we will get actually? Are you with me or not, sir? Yeah, exactly. In our 10th class also, our 10th class, all books material is nothing but a data. Our brain, it is walking through the data, chapter by chapter, chapter by chapter, chapter by chapter. Then at last, before 1 month exam, there is a big all-in-one actually. Previous last 5 years question papers we can walk through. Then our brain will start what exactly, oh, this is important question. The last 5 years came actually. We can expect for next, same thing, man. Same thing also here actually. Okay. For suppose to answer a question like, will you train today? If you really wanted to understand this one, there is some process. There is some process. Either we may right or wrong that later, but at least we are trying to making some accurate prediction actually. Okay. How do machines think? Maybe in another 20 minutes, I'm going to start important topic. At least or online also. Oh, online more crowd actually today, right? Online many people joined. Good. They are watching, match and parallelly attending session. I really appreciate. At least you guys joined over online, I guess. Online team, I have one small question. Can somebody answer? Can somebody tell the score actually? Tell the score. Let me drink water meanwhile. Cheppandi. Offline team, they want score actually. Very good. Thank you. Yeah, very good. Piyush 264. Okay, thank you, sir. All out actually. Oh, offline team make 264. It's okay. Even I like entertainment. All out actually. All out actually. Okay, 264 all out. Our game will start in another few minutes, I guess, actually. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, come on. Open actually. Why? Because మీరు టెన్షన్ పడుతూ స్కోర్ ఎంతో ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ లైక్ దట్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఓకే ఆర్ యూ హ్యాపీ ఆల్ అవుట్ యాక్చువల్లీ కెన్ ఐ కంటిన్యూ యా గుడ్ 264 what is your prediction okay good after our session prediction will be 281 very good. That's what even in a cricket even in a cricket also you can see kind of some prediction core. What's core actually? Sir, they applied machine learning in the back end. Back end they applied machine learning. For last of all previous matches. It's okay. It's okay. Cool. Then let us continue. Let us continue. Please be focused on this session. Let's move on. How do a machine think? The goal is to make computer think like a human. The computer think how you think actually. Namely, so how we can use remember, formulate, and predict framework. Here are the some points. Please focus actually. First one is remember. Being a human, we remember all past condition. But for computer, it is not a living creature, right? Then for computer, data is required to memorize. What is required, sir? Data. Data is here kind of some valuable resource actually. Look at the given data. Okay, that it can remember. By walking through the data, it will create a formula. Okay, if it is 1 acre, 10 rice packets. If it is 2 acres, 20 rice packets. It is 3 acres, 30 rice packets. Hold on. Go back. If you have given this data to the machine learning algorithm, sir, machine learning algorithm will create a formula. It will create a formula. What kind of formula, it will create actually? Do you wanted to know rice bags actually? Do you wanted to know rice bags? Then it will create a formula area into 10 exactly. Okay. Do you wanted to know about the rice packets actually? Area into 10. Yeah, Daniel. So especially I wanted to know. So the 5 acres actually. I wanted to know what exactly for 5 acres. What exactly it will happen, చెప్తారా sir? Area into చెప్పండి. The total rice packs actually. Oh, are you taking calculator actually? No, right? 5 into చెప్పండి sir 10. What is the rice packs actually? చెప్పండి. Exactly. If you have given this data to the machine learning algorithm, ML algorithm will come up with this kind of formula. Here onwards, we need to use that formula to do the prediction. Don't ask how 10 came actually. Kind of some constant. Think like that. Are you with me or not? Ante kada? 1 into 10, 2 into 20, 3 into 30, 4 into 40. Then I can take like a 10 value. I can take like what exactly? That value, it can be different value also. That is still okay. Okay. Move on. Next one, predict. Use the rule. Exactly. Use this rule to do the prediction. Use the rule to prediction about the future data actually. The next point, a real-time example. Online team, I need one small request from your side. In another 10 to 15 minutes, I'm entering into such an important topic. Please be focused actually. I request from your side, please be focused. I request you. Okay? Yeah. Let us move on. Let me take one real-time example for the machine learning. Team, Gmail application is a machine learning algorithm. Till now, we are already using Gmail actually, but you guys may not aware about. Backend, it is using ML algorithm. Backend, it is using ML algorithm. Quite interesting. I will tell you how it is working. Let us take a banking loan application also. Let us take banking loan application also to predict either so and so person, can we give a credit score, credit card or not, loan or not actually. Focus on this. I will take one example. Sir, when it comes to Gmail, imagine this one is a Daniel. Tell me your name. Charan. Yeah, I forget, sir. Sorry. Charan actually. So think like here I'm sending hi to the Charan. This one is my mail ID. I hope you know. @gmail.com. Charan As of now, think like this. Dummy mails actually. I'm sending hi. Then whenever you are sending hi message to the Charan, let me tell you, first of all, this mail will go to the ML algorithm. Okay. Your mail directly, it will not go to the Charan account actually. First of all, the moment whenever you are written the your program, I'm sorry, your mail actually, when you compile your mail, the moment when you submit, when you are sending, when you are clicking on send button, automatically backend one ML algorithm will come. That ML algorithm will scan your text actually. What you're trying to sending? Either it kind of some, different words actually, normal words, Though, first of all, this one is a valid mail. It will conclude valid mail. Let me push into kind of some inbox actually. What exactly mean? Inbox. Good. The next one, let us take Amazon. A kind of some shopping. Amazon.in. Amazon, what exactly .in. Then it is telling so and so offer details actually. What it is telling, sir? So and so offer details. Offers details actually. Then your mail first goes to, talk with me, ML algorithm. Now ML algorithm will decide. Either it is, yeah, exactly. Either it is normal mail. First of all, it is not a normal mail. Then it is what mail actually it will validate. Then it will go to the promotion. It will go to what exactly? Such a great actually. Now, the next one, kind of some, I'm sorry for using this word, kind of some different website, different website actually. A kind of some especially different related videos, different related, mails actually, you may get actually. Then these mails, it will be captured by ML algorithm. Then this ML algorithm will keep, this is not a valid mail actually, let us keep into spam. That's what you need to be understand. Whenever you are getting a mail, before your mail, ML algorithm will filter actually. There is some security layer. Backend, they are using ML algorithm. Such a nice actually. First time when Gmail was born, this technique is not available. Why? Because they don't have a data. This technique is not available. Why? Because they don't have a data. After 10 years, they have seen lot of mails actually. Then they have created one ML algorithm. All these mails, they have given to the ML algorithm. Now ML algorithm is recognizing, is it valid mail or not? Is it spam or not? Is it kind of some promotion or not? ఇంకా ఉంటాయి కదా ప్రమోషన్ అని ఇంకా చాలా చాలా ఉంటాయి కదా యాక్చువల్గా. Yeah, spam, especially spam mail actually. Backend Gmail is using ML algorithm. What algorithm? చెప్పండి సార్. ML algorithm. Gmail application. Gmail is a very well-known application. Yeah, good. Till now you are using, but unknowingly, so there is ML algorithm. Hope you're all well-known about actually. If anyone don't know what is the Gmail, I have no words, sir, actually, please. As like mat living actually. No to talk, right? No words actually. Hope you're all well-known about the spam folder. What folder, sir? Good. I understand. Some important mails also, come to the spam actually. Very good question. Sir, when you're talking about machine learning algorithm, when it comes to prediction, it never give 100 out of 100 actually. Definitely it is ML algorithm having some error. ML algorithm having some what exactly? Error. On an average, it will tell you but kind of, but it very rare case, 90 out of 100 actually. There is a still 10% chances. There are some mails it can push into what exactly? Spam folder actually. That might be the reason. Rajesh Garu. But this is a very rare scenario. Very rare scenario. Did you understand or not, sir? Okay. That too, maybe the if the mail ID is different, it will scan what kind of mail ID you are sending actually. It will scan. So, yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Promotion, some different images, banking mails, these are all things, it will goes to promotion actually, spam also. It is a common term used for junk or unwanted mails, such as a chain letter, promotions, and so on. Ham. The opposite word for spam is nothing but a ham. It is a common term used for non-spam mail, means it is a useful mail actually. In this scenario, machine learning algorithm is working to filter the spam or not actually. Yeah, machine learning algorithm, what exactly is happening, understand the previous mails. Previously, you got some mails, right? It will read actually. And based on that, it will conclude upcoming mail, either it is a spam or not. Either it is what exactly, sir, spam or not actually. Sir, there are different. It can capture the words, it can capture the sentence, kind of some. It will pick words which we already moved to the spam. Based on that, it will be moved to the spam sometime actually. Yeah. That one also one of the scenarios. Supriya boss, you're right actually. Based on the previous mails, created a some model actually. Good. These models applies on upcoming mails and predict whether it is a spam or what exactly. And the conclusion of this story I have wanted to hear from you. Gmail application backend, it is using what exactly, sir? Machine learning algorithm. Now move to the next one. What is the next one? The next one will be banking loan application. What application? Banking loan application. I will tell you one small story. In 2016, myself, I'm working actually like a junior software engineer. I'm working as a junior, almost. I do have some certain experience. It's a right time. I'm getting a keep on calls from the bank actually. I do have a friend. My friend name is a Mallesh. Myself, Nirikshan, and Mallesh actually. Suddenly we got a call from bank, and the bank people told, "Sir, you are eligible for a bank loan. You are eligible for bank loan or credit card actually." Then we thought like they will send money immediately. We told, yeah, we are ready to take actually. Then the moment when you say yes, we are ready to take, immediately they asked something. What they asked, sir, share your last 6 months statements, last 6 months bank statement, then last 3 months pay slips. You have to share actually. Then your Aadhaar code, your PAN code, these are all things you have to share. Sir, we are sending our data. We are sending our, I have sent actually. Malish also sent. Then that bank guy told, sir, we have to wait 24 hours. We have to wait. I was wondering what is going on. It's okay, we have waited. Next day, what happened, that bank people told, and then bank people called, and they call, Nirikshan, you are eligible for the loan. Mallesh, I'm sorry, you are not eligible for the loan actually. Then later I came across, they have taken our data. They are giving input to our data to one program. That program is telling this person is eligible for loan, this person is not eligible for loan. That program is nothing but a machine learning algorithm. That program is nothing but ML algorithm actually. All banking sectors, banking applications, still they are using ML algorithm to do prediction for either this is the risk customer or else this is the risk free customer actual. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Let me drink water. I hope you know. Online team any day response. Kind of some bank loan application. This is a very common application. I hope everyone knows. Once you applied for loan, by submitting the required documents actually, like pay slip and last 3 months pay slips you need to provide, past 6 months actually, banking statement, these are all. The banking guys will run one application over the given data. This is machine learning algorithm. This algorithm passes through the data and predicts whether the loan or credit score sanctioned or not actually. That's what even you need to be understand. Many other applications are using machine learning. I would like to say machine learning is everywhere, man. Trust me, machine learning is everywhere actually. Everywhere. Okay. All right. We're almost very near. Hmm. Let me tell you. Daniel, where machine learning helps? Yesterday also I covered actually. From past 2 decades, most of the companies are digitalized. So here data is generated more and more. More data we are getting, sir. What we are getting? More and more data we are getting. So in this case, machine learning helps us to develop the predictive model and automate the several things actually. Assuming that we had a past couple of years of data, Amazon transaction data. So the some questions. I just wanted to know how the business was in the last couple of years actually. And even I wanted to take the best decisions to improve the business. Two things. Let me tell you, if you are having the data, get ready, you can talk about the two things. Previously, what happened? You wanted to know good business in the future. If you wanted to find out previously what happened, you need to apply pandas. You need to apply pandas. If you wanted to do the prediction for upcoming actually, you need to apply. Exactly, you got my point. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్తాను చూడండి. Data. Do you have a data? I wanted to know about the past. Apply pandas. I wanted to know about చెప్పండి సార్. అయ్యో, talk with me. Then what we need to apply? That's it. Apply machine learning. That's what you need to be understand. Do you have a data? Get ready. Two things. One is the past, next one will be future actual. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Sir, here what is matter, Data matter. What is matter? If you don't have, Daniel, I don't, best example, if any one of your friend is telling, I'm a data scientist, then your first question will be, let me know how much data you are handling. If he is selling, I'm not handling the data. I'm sorry, he throw a biscuit actual. He throw what exactly, sir? Being a data scientist, he should handle with the data. Currently, I'm handling almost 63 petabyte of the data. 63 petabyte of the data. My quarter actual. Quarter in the sense, in every quarter, client used to give 63 petabyte of the data. It is in the cloud we used to load actual. All right, you have to be understand. To answer above questions, gather the data, process the data, take the decisions. These are all things we can do actually. Okay. See, hold on. Make a note on this. Sir, few of machine learning algorithm. Text processing. What processing? Text processing. If you have given the data, either which one is the right word, which one is the wrong. Best example, go to the Google. Even though you have spelled wrong spelling, it will process actually. Text processing. The next one, what do you mean by text processing? I will tell you. Go to the chat GPT. In Hyderabad, there is a company name called as Naresh IT. Daniel is working as data scientist, as a trainer. And his mobile number and his age is 16 and his mobile number is some number. Sir, don't take this number actually. Good actually. Now let us ask from above text, print below things actually. I wanted to print these are all things. What are things I wanted to print? What is the company name? The next one. Ayyo. I wanted to print these are all. See. What is the answer it is giving? It is processed actually very quickly. Not only company name, trainer name. That to company name I am giving wrong spelling actually. His age actually. Ayyo, it's okay. Mobile number. Wow, students, sir. This is the input. Talk with me. Company name. What is that? Nourish IT. And next one will be trainer name. What is the trainer name? Daniel. And his age is what exactly? 60. Get mobile number also. Exactly. Company name is Nourish IT, trainer name. And who is Daniel? Daniel is mentioned as a trainer working at Nourish IT actually. You can play actually. Are you with me or not, sir? It is doing the text processing. It is doing text processing actually. See, though I have given the data, model trained very well. Now over the data, you can ask any question, it will respond actually. What is the location? Location. Hyderabad. What is the state actually? Will it tell as a Telangana? We'll say. Very good. Awesome actually. What is the country? Did I give in my state details actually? No. Did I give in country details? No. It was trained. Previously, it was already trained actually. What is the country? Japan, sir. Predict the country. India. All our valid details. Exactly all our valid details actually. Okay. Move to the next one. Here is a point. Now that model, I didn't train with my personal data. Then if you're asking any personal question, when it comes to Daniel, how many kids he has, what is his wife name, what is his PAN code number, what is his Aadhaar code number, it will tell, sorry, that data I don't have actually. What you have trained, it will try to prediction actually. Good. The next one will be feature, I'm sorry, speech recognition. When you even go to the Google, instead of typing as a what is a Python, you can just say to enable that and you can talk actually. Traffic prediction, sir. Best example, what is this one? Talk with me. Traffic prediction. You know about the Ola cab actually? Whenever you are booking a cab, Ola backend it will use traffic prediction actually. It can predict the traffic. Best example, there are 4 paths from, so KBHP to Amirpet. There are 4 directions you can go actually. Almost, first way, don't choose this one, more traffic. Second way, you can go for this, less traffic actually. Traffic prediction is really required. Why actually? To save the time. To save what exactly? Time. At the same time, if you're trying to saving the time, almost resource also you are saving. If you're traveling over the traffic, sir, it consumes more fuel. It consumes more fuel actually. That's one of the important point. Product recommendation. Self-driving cars. Email spam or, so ham. Online fraud detection. Now let me tell you. Read everyone this one. What is it? What exactly? Online fraud detection actually. So traffic prediction. Yeah. Ola app, it will trigger Google Map API. You also can trigger actually. Somebody is telling like. Rishi, sir, traffic prediction is used for maps, right? Actually, sir, let me tell you. The moment whenever you are booking a cab, Ola, what Ola will do, Ola company don't have a separate map actually. They will try to backend, they will try to trigger Google Map API. Then they will try to capture all the details actually. Okay. They will pay money, monthly money they will pay to the Google actually. Even you also can capture that one. You can build our own app actually. Through Google Map, you can hit, so exact location. Come on, let us read everyone. What is the first one? Text processing. Next one, speech recognition, traffic prediction, product recommendation, self-driving cars, email spammer, malware filtering. Next one will be online fraud detection. Sir, nowadays online fraud became big business actually. You're all aware, we are getting a normal message and those messages are fraud messages. They're asking, sir, in your account money got credited. In account money got credited. Click on that link. Like us, we can understand. So who can send money, sir? Almost 1 crore rupee. Who will send actually, right? But think like unfortunately, village people, they don't know these are all things, right? Just they will click on that link. Actually, the fraud happens automatically. Now, in between, if you have created one small layer, suddenly you got a message that backend one ML algorithm will tell, oh, boss, don't click on that one. That is a fraud message actually. Boss, click on that one. This is not a fraud actually. That is called as a online fraud detection. Talk with me. Online fraud detection actually. Backend ML algorithms will do. Nowadays, Airtel, they're sending us spam number. Kada? Actually, spam number, these are all different. Yeah, yes, boss. Weather forecasting and prediction. What exactly weather forecasting and prediction? These are all things actually. Why machine learning required? Sir, are you talking how weather is predicted? In this case, the past data is not supposed to work actually. Why it will not work, sir? Based on season. Okay. Best example, sir. All weather stations, they will capture data based on minute wise, and at the same time, seasoned also, season data in the sense, would have a different season. Then best example, I'm pretty sure I can give a guarantee, sir. Yesterday climate is too hot. Yesterday what exactly climate and today climate will be, what in Hyderabad actually too hot actually. Talk about the tomorrow, do the prediction. No doubt at all, too hot actually. Can I get a response? Being a human, last to 2 days data would you have? We are talking more actually. Think about machine learning algorithm. It will do the right prediction, right? Siddiq sir, it will based on data. It will do prediction actually. In this case, the past data is not supposed to work. What it mean? Past data not supposed to work in the sense, it will use that past data to do the prediction for future data actually. Okay. Of controlled actually. Sir, you didn't remind me. Yesterday one image I supposed to upload. You have to remind me today. PDF upload చేయలేదా? Image sir, image అంటున్నాను. Image prediction I guess. Yeah. This image I didn't upload yesterday, right? Kada? Yeah, I will upload today. Listen carefully. Daniel, why machine learning required? As a human, we cannot access huge amount of the data manually, sir. Imagine if it is a 5 records, 10 records we can access actually. We cannot access huge amount of the data. So we can train machine learning algorithm by providing huge amount of the data. By providing what data? Huge amount of the data. Once you train machine learning algorithm travel through this data in order to learn about the data, then it can create a model and predicts results automatically for what exactly future data. So simple, from yesterday onwards I'm telling, hey, do you have a machine learning algorithm? Yeah, Daniel. You can just try to give Amazon last to 10 years data. Then ML algorithm will understand last to 10 years what happened. Now here onwards, ML algorithm backend it will apply maths. Backend it will apply maths actually. Then once it understand about the last to 10 years data, then it's bloom actually. It will talk about the next feature, how many cells of the data actually. How many cells we are going to get. From this material, these are all last discussion actually. Technically speaking, make a note on this one. Technically, with the help of historical data, talk with me, sir. With the help of historical data, machine learning algorithm builds a math model. Talk with me. Builds a math model, and that helps to making a prediction without being explicitly programming actually. Come on, read everyone. I need your help actually. With the help of historical data. For ML algorithm, definitely historical data is required actually. Then what it will do? Machine learning algorithm build a math model. Build what exactly? Math model. It is creating the mathematical models actually. After it is creating the mathematical model that help us to doing what exactly? Prediction. Why we are creating the math model? To do ultimately what is our main motto? Prediction. Prediction. Without being explicitly programmed. You no need to write your own program. We never write actually. That is not our main motto. Already algorithms are available. We just need to use those algorithms actually. That's what you need to get a clear picture. Are you with me or not, sir? Fine then. Sir, there is a one topic I kept hold actually, which is called as a normalization. Normal distribution, I'm sorry. Don't worry. Very good. You are following the metal very nicely, I guess actually. All right, sir, I have some personal work. Maybe it's a right time. Let me leave for today's session. We done for today's session. We can connect again tomorrow. But don't miss tomorrow's session. We done today's session. We'll connect tomorrow. A short session today. చెప్పండి